In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync your Airbnb calendar with Booking.com. So the first thing you need to go is log into Airbnb and go into the listing which you want to sync with Booking.com. Once you are on the listing, you need to go into the availability tab, which is the fourth tab. And as you scroll down the availability tab, at the bottom, the second from the bottom section is called Import and Export Calendar. So you click on Export Calendar. It's going to show a pop-up which is going to have a link to your Airbnb iCal application link. So I'll double click in there and right click and copy the calendar link. You can close this now, and then I will go into the booking.com window. And this is your booking.com section where your property is listed. Click on calendar and pricing tab, which is the second tab, and then click on sync calendar. Once you are in the sync calendar section, the first option you will see is add calendar connection. Click on that. The first section is you will need to copy and paste. You'll need to paste the iCal link you copied from Airbnb, and you can give it a name like Airbnb calendar. Click on next step. Now it is checking whether the URL we have pasted is a valid URL. Seems like it was a success. So the import of Airbnb calendar is successful, and now Booking.com is prompting you to copy Booking.com calendar link and paste it back into Airbnb. So both your listings are in sync always. So I'm going to click copy link, and then you can close this. So we have copied the Booking.com calendar now. So we need to go back into Airbnb and click on import calendar, paste the link we've copied from booking.com and name it booking.com calendar, and click on import calendar. That's it. So now after this, both your Airbnb and booking.com calendars will stay in sync. But bear in mind, it is not a real-time sync. There is always an hour or two lag between the calendars because of the nature of iCal. It is not an event-based calendar. It is a time-based calendar. So the sync kicks with time. So depending on when the sync starts, it can be an hour or two delay. So bear in mind, it is not a real-time sync, but your calendars will sync with each other on Airbnb and Booking.com every hour or two. But if you're just maintaining one property on both, I would say as soon as you get a booking, always go in and refresh your calendar by clicking here. So you can refresh your calendar by clicking here on Airbnb. That will immediately sync your calendar on Airbnb. And if you want to do the same on booking.com, always go into calendar sync calendars, and then just click on import now to make sure you don't get a double booking. Otherwise, it's going to be a costly affair. Airbnb doesn't charge you for cancellations as long as you're not overdoing it. So one or two cancellations you can get away with, but booking.com is always gonna charge you for moving the guest somewhere else if you cancel a booking. So booking.com cancellation is always very expensive. That's it for now. This is how you sync your Airbnb and booking.com calendar. Thank you. Bye-bye.